Transport Bandit weather report. It's snowing. It's coming down hard.
Okay, we're here in Laramie, Wyoming, riding out the storm for our reset.
And we just got the report that I-80 is a mess. Trucks parked everywhere.
In the road.
In the road.
It only started snowing about 5 o'clock, and it's about, what, 7:38 now?
Yeah, but it's really coming down now. So the snow just began about an hour ago. I'm outside here at night doing a weather report. How much I love our viewers.
It's Snowmageddon! Historical snow totals coming this way soon.
Boy, Gus, you gotta stay out in the weather. But Cheryl, thanks to our friend Paul, put our windshield wipers up.
Thanks, Paul. I would have forgotten all about that.
So I guess we'll see over the next 24 hours how much snow we get. What do you think, Cheryl?
I think it's going to come a blizzard. Wait, they are forecasting 2 to 3 feet of snow here in Laramie, Wyoming. And we're hunkered down, got ourselves a room, and we're going to wait this out.
I'm out here in the weather for your enjoyment and entertainment. I'm suffering for you.
Hey, you want to get in a snow fight? No, that wasn't literally real. That wasn't real. Ow. Okay. No snow fight. All right. That's about it. Okay, for the first weather report of the giant historical snow event, Snowmageddon. Now this is the blizzard reset. We only had a few hours left on our clock. So this is about as far as we made it to. We could have gone a little bit north.
What do you mean we had a few hours left on our clock? We had like 15 minutes left.
We decided to come straight right smack dab into the belly of the beast.
As far as we could make it on our clock anyway.
Yep, so this is where we're resetting. We said, let's just do it. Let's just get a hotel, we'll reset here, and watch the big blizzard come in, you know, for a southern girl.
Hey, who wants to see Cheryl get hit with one more snowball?
Nope, nobody.
I think they all do.
Nobody.
Everybody in
No.
YouTube wants to see it one more time.
No! Ah. Oh, that's awful. Okay, big boy, you're really gonna get it now. The video is going off now.
Hey, don't threaten me with a good time.
This is our view from our room, poolside room. Oh yeah, it's hot tub time. There's a blizzard going on outside. It's time for the hot tub.
Oh yeah. Hey guys, Mr. Dimples here, reporting from our reset. It's a Snowmageddon reset, or a Bubblemageddon, whichever one you want to call it. Me and Mr. Bones here are enjoying ourselves, relaxing. Now I have to give a disclaimer here. All you female transporters out there, please try and keep your composure right now. I know it's difficult for you under these circumstances, but you know, I've got Tennessee, so you can have your drink if you want, but try to keep your composure, alright? Remember, we're professionals. Alright. What do you think, Mr. Bones? He don't care, he's dead.
Resetting bandit style.
How do we get back to the hotel?
Straight across.
Well, I can't see a lot. Can you?
It is whiteout conditions.
Can you see?
No.
So this is what it's like to drive in close to whiteout conditions.
Now, on the phone, for some reason, the phone picks up a lot more detail than it is in real life. It's a lot more. The visibility is more reduced than what the phone is picking up.
Maybe we should drive by the phone.
Yeah, put the phone on the dash. Good morning, it's Transport Bandits reporting from the blizzard reset we're doing in Laramie, Wyoming. And the blizzard is not exactly what we thought it would be.
But the conditions are terrible.
The conditions are terrible. I-80 is shut down. Oh, sorry. Going through some snow drifts. And it's drifting really badly. We don't have 3 feet of snow consistently. It's down to just 1 or 2 inches where we're driving on the road, and it's been scraped to 3-foot drifts. So you really can't tell how deep it is. Here's a take. We're going to go over to Petro at Laramie and get some more diesel additive. Here's what it looks like.
And I thought I'd give you a little bit of information, a little bit of review here. Michelin Cross Climate Agility tires appear to work great in the snow. But this Ford truck has the locking rear differential and 4-wheel drive, so that makes a difference. But at any rate, I'm real pleased with it. Okay, the weather report is that it is blizzarding. There is 0 visibility pretty much on the interstates. I-80 is closed down from Big Springs to Laramie, and I think that's what I heard. It's probably closed down more than that. There is no traffic on the interstates whatsoever, Highway 30 as well. And the snow is little or small, like 2 inches everywhere else, and drifting up to about 3 feet with drifts. Diesel additive. In this weather, it is a necessity.
Howdy. Hey, what's your name?
Misty, hi.
Hey, Misty, how you doing?
Doing pretty well.
She's here hard working in the blizzard, keeping it open for all of us transporters and truckers.
Hey, it's Mr. Dimples. I'm here with Misty.
Hey, Misty.
Hi.
Nice lady, works here at the Flying J. So, Misty, in weather like this, normally how long is I-80 shut down for?
I've seen it closed and open from anywhere from between 3 hours to 3 days.
All right.
So there you go.
3 hours to 3 days.
So I don't know if I've got 3 hours left in my hot tub or 3 days left in my hot tub.
Well, let's go utilize that hot tub.
All right. Thanks, Misty.
Thanks, Misty.
Bye.
Have a great day and be safe on the roads.
You too, guys.
We're Mr. Dimples.
Yeah, I thought the blizzard was over, but apparently the blizzard's back and with a vengeance.
Yeah, it's pretty much a whiteout condition here. That's I-80 just past that pole there. Can't see anything.
Check it out.
Yeah, that's I-80. Alright, we're gonna get back to the hot tub.
I know it looks a little dark out here, but it's like 2 o'clock in the, what time is it, Cheryl? About 2 o'clock in the afternoon?
It's 2.
Yeah, that's how thick it is out here with snow and all. Alright, see you later.
Sorry, a lot of drifts to go over.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Day 3 of the blizzard reset, extended reset. The interstate's not open yet. They said it will be open sometime between 8 and 11 hours. That is, not sure what that is, you know?
Jeff always looks like he's about to kill somebody.
8 to 11 hours. What is that? That's kind of
Sorry, the camera's shaking on. Yeah, we're on day 3. It's Monday. We were here Saturday, and then it came in Saturday night, the big blizzard, and then Sunday it snowed all day, and it was pretty much a whiteout condition here. Cheyenne, Wyoming they reported on the news, got 30 inches. We're in Laramie. Cheyenne's just down the road. So I didn't measure with a stick or anything. So I don't know exactly how much we got here, although it doesn't seem bad because it drifted so bad and they've scraped really well. So we're going to get out. The interstate is still closed, but we can go across the interstate.
Post office and mail some artwork.
Yeah, as you know, we were artists before COVID shut down all
And
the
we
art
are
festivals.
still artists.
We're still artists. We're still doing our business. Arnold's Old School Art. If you want to take a look at the type of artwork that we do, go to www.arnoldsart.com. All right, let's go to the post office in Laramie. Check out the back roads. It's blowing pretty badly. Let's go inside now and finish our 34, 36, 38 hour reset. Maybe try and get under tomorrow. See how they get I-80 to open up, or when they get I-80 to open up. Until we get down. Bye!
Alright, this gives a whole new meaning. The Transport Bandits out. Don't forget to subscribe.
falling pretty badly. Let's go inside now. Finish our 34, 36, 38 hour reset. Maybe try and get under tomorrow. See how they get I-80 to open up, or when they get I-80 to open up. Until we get down. Bye!
Alright, this gives a whole new meaning to transport bandits out. Don't forget to subscribe.